Hey, it's David here from Freedom Founders. Question I get quite often from people who are inquiring about Freedom Founders community and what we do is, David, how much time is this going to take me? Obviously, because they have limited time. Well, we all have limited time. In fact, where we apply the resources we have, particularly time, is really where our priorities are in life. And for everybody, it's going to be different. There's no question about it. At different stages of life, family, career, we're going to plug in our time resources allocated on where our goals are set. So when people come to Freedom Founders, I usually tell them, well, you need to have a practice that's running pretty efficiently. It's not perfect. It's never perfect. But, it's not in a place where you've got to could or need to put a lot more investment into it. You're not trying to expand it. You're not trying to grow multiple practices. You've got a good practice, you've got a good run rate. In fact, you've got capital, discretionary capital that's coming out of that practice, and now you want to look at putting it into alternative investments, which is what we do in Freedom Founders. So if that's the case, and I say, well, it does take some time. Now, the thing about Freedom Founders community is it's speed to goal. I have done all the heavy lifting. I've created the knowledge base, the frameworks to teach. I bring the network to our members. I've done all the heavy lifting. In fact, I spent the last 40 years of my life connecting with people in finance and the real estate industry, along with running my dental practice for the first 20 years, and now full-time just in Freedom Founders and connecting with people in real estate. So when people come to our community, it's speed to goal. But yes, you have to invest some time. You don't just come in and have me or somebody else just pick real estate deals for you. You want to learn what you're doing, because the whole goal here is to make you an investor who is able to take some charge in your life instead of abdicating it like most people do, because, well, they just don't have time. Here, just give it to a financial advisor, or give it to a money manager, put it in a 401k. It's all totally passive. I mean, so passive that you have no control at all. In Freedom Founders, we help you how to understand the alternative investments, how to connect with the right people, and do at least basic due diligence and understand what the goals are: income, growth, hybrid thereof. It's a process. We make it fast and easy, but you still have to put some time into it. So it depends on where you are, what your goals are, how much time you have to allocate. What's important to you really is what it comes down to. It's not for me to decide, but what's important to you. Now, we will give you guidelines on how much time you need to put into it. But the members that come into Freedom Founders find a run rate and a change in their life, a change in their financial acumen, a change in their financial freedom number multiplies multiple times over in just the first year and a half with Freedom Founders. It's that big a change, but you've got to see if you fit that model. Remember, always stay focused on your freedom. I'll see you next time.